Hi, Spencer from DIY Marquees. Today we're talking about leg covers, what they are, why we've designed them as we have. So originally, when we first designed Marquees many years ago, we had the leg covers attached onto the roof. So they'd attach on, pull down and clip into the leg. We don't do that anymore. The reason being that we'd find that, especially marquee hire companies, when you pull the roof over, a lot of people would grab onto the leg cover and they'd end up tearing off. You don't want that. You want your marquee to still look the same many years down the line as when you first have it new. That's the whole point of having marquee hire. So we now have them stay Velcro on. This seals the marquee a lot better. You don't get drafts coming in. If it's not Velcroed, you get a draft coming through between the leg cover and the side panel. When it's Velcroed on, during the winter it's going to seal it a lot better. It also means when you're joining two marquees together, the leg covers don't get in the way. You just don't fit them. Fit the gutter going down, leg covers out the way. This is why we have leg covers detached.